So now next question is question 1C, that is design NFA for binary number divisible by 4 or 6. Okay, this question also came for 5 marks. You may be knowing that question number 1A always comes as a compulsory questions. Question number 1 is always a compulsory question where all sub questions mostly you need to solve. Okay, so here in this question 1C, that is NFA for binary number divisible by 4 or 6. Here this question is little tricky, a little difficult because they have clubbed two numbers together 4 or 6. मतलब 4 से डिवाइड होगा तो भी एक्सेप्ट करो, 6 से डिवाइड होगा तो भी एक्सेप्ट करो. ऐसा नहीं है कि दोनों से डिवाइड होगा तो एक्सेप्ट करो. इट इज नॉट एंड, इट इज और. आइदर 4 और 6 वी हैव टू एक्सेप्ट इट. ओके, बिफोर सॉल्विंग दिस वी विल फर्स्ट फोकस ऑन ओनली डिविजिबल बाय 4. अगर कोई बाइनरी नंबर डिविजिबल बाय 4 है तो कैसे हम लोग सॉल्व करेंगे? डिविजिबल बाय 4 मतलब हम लोगों को मॉड 4 करना पड़ेगा. मॉड 4 करने के बाद हम लोगों को रिमाइंडर मिलेगा 0 1 2 3. दैट मीन्स वी विल हैव स्टेट्स Q0 Q1 Q2 एंड Q3. ओके, सो अगर कोई बाइनरी नंबर डिविजिबल बाय 4 है तो मुझे ये 4 स्टेट्स मिलेगा. सो ये 4 स्टेट्स के लिए अगर मैं ट्रांजिशन डायग्राम बनाऊंगी तो वो ट्रांजिशन डायग्राम ऐसे रहेगा. ओके, NFA का इक्वेशन क्या है? Q क्रॉस सिग्मा इज इक्वल टू 2⁻Q. दैट्स व्हाई इनपुट साइड में क्या आएगा? Q क्रॉस सिग्मा. आउटपुट साइड में क्या आएगा? 2⁻Q. दैट मीन्स मोर देन वन स्टेट्स कैन कम एज द आंसर. Now here sigma indicates the different input symbols. In binary numbers, what are different input symbols? 0 and 1. So if I say these are the only two possible input symbols. Okay. Now here, if we just see, these are the 4 states Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3. Now the easy trick, there is a big explanation behind this. If you want, you can see my other video on NFA solving. Okay. But just an easy trick for you all, okay, that is you simply make this table, find out all the states, and this values, how do you fill it? From Q0 to Q3 you write in a sequence, that is Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, again Q0, Q1, Q2, Q3, and you are done. This is the table. Okay, here what is the initial state? Of course the one which is having 0 remainder. Which is the final state? We want divisible by 4. Divisible by 4 मतलब रिमाइंडर जो 0 आएगा वो, so ये फाइनल स्टेट. जहाँ पे भी रिमाइंडर 0 आएगा वो मेरा फाइनल स्टेट. So this is the answer for binary number divisible by 4. लेकिन हम लोगों का क्वेश्चन थोड़ा डिफरेंट है, 4 और 6. So now let us see, अगर mod 6 रहेगा तो मुझे क्या क्या रिमाइंडर आएंगे? 0 1 2 3 4 and 5. ओके, सो मुझे अभी क्या करना पड़ेगा? और अगर 4 है देन आई एम गेटिंग 0 1 2 3 4, 0 1 2 3 एज अ रिमाइंडर. ओके, सो नाउ आई नीड टू क्लब दिस both the combinations together. That means if it is mod 4 or if it is mod 6. Okay, so if it is mod 4 I will get 0 1 2 3, again 0 1 2 3, 0 1 2 3, 0 1 2, like that. If it is mod 6 I will get value 0 1 2 3 4 5, 0 1 2 3 4 5, 0 1 2, like that. If you just see, what I am doing is I am just combining this 4 and 6 together. That is, here we get a first combination as 0 0, second combination as 1 1, third combination as 2 2, fourth combination as 3 3, fifth combination as 0 4, sixth combination as 1 5. None of them are getting repeated. Am I getting 0 0 again here? No. Am I getting 2 2 again over here? All these are unique combinations. 2 0 3 1 0 2 1 3 2 4 3 5 0 0. Yes, the 0 0 is now repeated combination. 0 0 is same as 0 0. 1 1, yes, it is again repeated. 2 2, yes, it is again repeated. So now we come to know, after this point we are getting all repeated combinations. So now we can ignore these combinations. But all those combinations which are unique, we need to consider all these combinations together as a different states in our system. Okay, so for this NFA, we are going to construct one table, and in this table, we will write down Q cross sigma, different states. The first state will be Q00, second state is Q11, third is Q22, fourth is Q33, fifth is Q04, Q15, Q20, Q31, Q31, Q02, Q13, Q24, Q35. Now, though it is a binary number, what are the input symbols? Sigma indicates the input symbols. Binary number की input symbol क्या है? सिर्फ 0 और 1. That is sigma gives 0 and 1. So अभी ये table तो ready हो गया. Okay. अभी हम लोग इसमें values fill करना है. How, what is going to be the answer? Answer is nothing but some states. Okay. So here Q00 and we need to fill this. So we'll follow the same way how we did it for divisible by 4. So what it will be, we'll start with the first value, that is Q00. Next state is Q11. We'll copy it here. Q22, we'll copy here. Q33 over here. Q04, Q15. Q20, Q31. Q02, Q13. Q24, Q35. After a certain time, all the steps are finished. What I'm supposed to do? Still there are some blank space left. Okay, we'll start again from the Q00. So that is, I'll just make some lines in between. Q20 के बाद ये 35 खत्म हो गया. We'll start with Q00. That is Q00, Q11, Q22, Q33, Q04, Q15, Q20, Q31, Q02, Q13, Q24, Q35. So very easy, we have got this table ready. The only thing we need to identify is the initial state and the final state. What will be the initial state in all the cases? Whenever both the mod 0 and 4 both are 0. For both the numbers, it is not yet divided by any number. So initially both the remainders are 0. We are not just started it. So both the remainders 0 कहाँ पे आएगा? Of course first case. That's why Q00 will always be the initial state. Now what is going to be the final state? The final state says the number should be divisible by either 4 or 6. So whenever my number is divisible by 4, it will be a final state. Here in this case, when mod 4 is 0, my number is divisible by 4. Again in this case, mod 4 is 0, it is divisible by 4. Here also it is divisible by 4. When it is mod 6 is 0, it is divisible by 6. In this case also it is 0, it is divisible by 6. So I can say that all these combinations, wherever I find 0, either in 4 side or in 6 side, all these cases are divisible by either 4 or 6 and it should be accepted. So, I will show all the states as a final state. That is 0, 0, final state. 0, 4, final state. 2, 0, final state. 0, 2, final state. Hope you understood this solution, that it is really very easy method to get these answers, that is 4 and 6 together considering as OR. If this is AND, what will be the change in this particular entire answer? अगर ये AND रहेगा तो वो ऐसा नंबर चाहिए जो 4 और 6 दोनों से डिवाइड हो रहा है. दोनों से डिवाइड होने वाला नंबर ये नहीं है, ये भी नहीं है, ये भी नहीं है. It is only this case which is divisible by both. So then final answer will be only Q00. बाकी सब सेम रहेगा. Okay, I hope you understood this entire answer. So this is the NFA for binary number divisible by 4 and 6. In this case, what we can do is, we can, if you want to actually solve this, we need to further take it further, and we need to, this is nothing but a transition table, okay? So we need to do minimization on this transition table. अभी minimization कैसे होता है? Okay? मिनिमाइजेशन मतलब क्या, अगर ऐसा कोई स्टेट है जिसमें सेम वैल्यूज आ रहे हैं तो वो हम लोग को डिलीट करना पड़ेगा. ओके, नाउ हियर इफ यू से Q00 एंड Q11 और किधर आ रहा है क्या, यस इट इज कमिंग ओवर हियर. ये दोनों केस में Q00 एंड Q11 एज आंसर आ रहा है, बराबर है. तो ये दोनों अगर दो स्टेट सेम ही आंसर दे रहे हैं तो वो दो स्टेट रखने की जरूरत नहीं है, उसकी जगह पे हम लोग एक ही स्टेट रखेंगे. विल जस्ट कीप अ सिंगल स्टेट, विल नॉट कीप टू डिफरेंट स्टेट्स showing the same values. So what we'll do in this case, we will cancel out one of the state. What is that state? Suppose Q00 and Q20. Before cancelling out one of these two states, we will first check both should be either final states or they should be non-final states. Now here in this case, both are having asterisk mark, means both are final states and both are having same values. So we can obviously delete one of the state. Okay. So now here just I'm see that I'm deleting this Q20. If I'm deleting this Q20 because it is repeated with Q00, so now Q20 is going to remove from this table. So जहाँ पे भी Q20 का नाम है उसकी जगह पे मुझे Q00 का नाम लिखना पड़ेगा. क्यों? बिकॉज इसको इसने रिप्लेस किया है. So Q20 की जगह पे मुझे Q00 लिखना पड़ेगा. So I'll just check in my entire table wherever Q20 है, I will simply make it Q00. क्रॉस करके Q00. Okay? Q20 yes. क्रॉस करके Q00. Okay? Now nowhere else it is like that. Now I'll check another case. Q22 and Q33. Is it same anywhere else? Okay, now we have Q22 and 33 over here. Okay, as a next value. Is this repeated anywhere else? Yes, it is repeated with Q22 and 33. So it is indicated by arrows. Okay. Now that is Q11 state and Q31 state. Can I cancel out the states? I'll first check whether both the states are final or non-final. This is non-final. This one non-final. Both are non-final. Yes. Then I can surely delete one of the state. So let's say I'll delete this state Q31. Q31 को मैंने डिलीट कर दिया. तो 31 को किसके साथ मैच किया था? Q11 के साथ. तो जहाँ पे भी Q31 दिखेगा वहाँ पे मैं क्या लिखूंगी? Q11 लिखूंगी. So here is it Q31? Yes, I'll make it Q11. Q31? Yes, I'll make it Q11. Okay, next. Q04 is same as Q15. But now I know this is little maze over here. Okay. The next is Q04 and Q15. If you see Q04 and Q15, both are same. These are the two different states, Q22 and Q02. Can I do minimization on these two states? Yes? No. Why I can't do? Because Q22 non-final state है और Q02 final state है. किसने बोला? Because Q02 के पास asterisk है, ये final state है. इसको एस्टेरिक नहीं है, मतलब ये नॉन फाइनल स्टेट है. तो नॉन फाइनल और फाइनल को हम लोग कुछ नहीं कर सकते. सो इवन दो दिस वैल्यूज आर सेम, हम लोग इसको मिनिमाइजेशन नहीं करेंगे. ओके, विल मूव टू द नेक्स्ट वैल्यू. Q00 Q11. Yes, it is there. Q00 Q11 is here. Now is this a final state? No, it is non-final state. What about this one? ये भी non-final state है. अगर दोनों non-final state है तो of course हम लोग एक को डिलीट कर देंगे. So we will delete this Q13. Q13 को किसके साथ मैच किया था? Q33 के साथ मैच किया था. So यहाँ पे Q33 आएगा. मतलब जहाँ पे भी मुझे Q13 दिखेगा वहाँ पे मैं 33 लिखूंगी. यहाँ पे किधर 13 है? Yes, I'll write it Q33. यहाँ पे भी Q13 का मैंने Q33 किया. Okay? Now, we'll go to the next state, that is Q02 and Q33. Q02 and Q33. This is final state, लेकिन ये final state नहीं है. So we will not do any minimization. Last is Q24 and Q35. ये भी Q24 and 35. दोनों भी नॉन फाइनल है, ये भी नॉन फाइनल है, ये भी नॉन फाइनल है. ये दोनों को भी स्टार नहीं है. तो ऑफ कोर्स हम लोग इसमें से डिलीट कर सकते हैं. Which one we will delete? We will delete any one. Suppose मैंने Q35 को डिलीट किया. So 35 की जगह पे क्या नाम आएगा? इसके साथ मैच किया था. We had match with Q15. So 35 की जगह पे Q15 का नाम आएगा. सो अभी मेरे टेबल में ब्लैक में जो भी लिखा है उधर जिधर भी मेरे पास Q35 है आई राइट विथ Q15. So here I have Q35, I'll write Q15. Nowhere else I have Q35, so it is done. Now I have already matched all these values और जहाँ पे भी minimization possible है मैंने पूरा minimization कर दिया है. After minimization जो मुझे टेबल लग रहा है ये ऐसे ही करो. When you are solving in your book for your exams, आपको लगेगा कि what is all this, it is not understandable. But I'll tell you, you write all these values in table with a pen, okay? And this all minimization or cancelling out some numbers and giving some other names, this part you can do with a pencil. Just to show that you know how to do minimization and you have done that, you are supposed to show with a pencil all this cancellation. Okay? After doing all this cancellation, final जो values बचेंगे, that table we need to draw again as a minimized NFA table. Okay? So I'll try to make that table. Now we can see this is the table which we can call as minimized NFA transition table. Okay, so after cancelling out the repeated states, we have finally found out the only states which are not repeated, they are unique states, and now we can call it as a final NFA table. Okay, so this can be the solution for this answer. Okay, again we can take it forward and we can just draw a diagram for this NFA with drawing all the states and connecting them together with these values. But as I say, though it is for 5 marks, we will not do that. It is okay if you just make a transition table. Okay, but if you want to get a full 5 marks, better is that you write down a tuple definition for this NFA. So tuple definition will be, I am writing here the machine M indicated by Q, sigma, delta, Q0 and F, where Q is nothing but set of states. So write down all the final states which we have. Okay, that is Q00, Q11, Q22. We will just write down the final states which are there in a final table. No need to write all the states. Okay, Q2, Q33. So on, you can continue this Q table, write down all the values in this bracket, this set of Q. The next is sigma. Sigma is nothing but input symbols. What are the input symbols? This 0 and 1, binary symbols. The input symbols are only 0 and 1. Okay? And the next is delta. Delta is a transition function. For NFA, the transition function is Q cross sigma gives 2 raised to Q. We write down as it is. For this, हमने एक टेबल बनाया है which indicates कि हर एक स्टेट के लिए क्या वैल्यू है. Okay? Next is Q0. Initial state हमारे पास कौन सा है? Q00. Okay? और final state हमारे पास कौन सा है? Do we have only one or more final states? Yes, we have so many final states. So we'll write down all of them in a set. क्या है? पहला है Q00. दूसरा कौन सा है? जिसमें asterisk दिखाया है Q04. और next Q02. Okay, we are done with all the final states. So this is the machine definition for this NFA, tuple definition. If you write this much, you will get 5 marks for this particular question. Okay? Okay, now let's focus on the next question, that is question 1AD, that is design a Moore machine for binary adder. This was again been asked for 5 marks. Okay? Now, we all know what is Moore and Mealy machines. These are the different finite automata machines itself, but these are with output. DFA NFA is without output, Moore Mealy is with output. Okay? So now let us try to identify this Moore machine. Before that, we will first see what is a binary adder and how to get this binary adder. Okay? So we all know very well binary addition, that is if we have number 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. So addition of these two numbers. What is 0 plus 0? 0. 0 plus 1? 1. 1 plus 0? 1. 1 plus 1? 0 with carry 1. So I'll say carry 1. So this is for carry. In earlier cases, was carry generated? No. So I'll say carry is not generated. Here carry is generated. Okay. So I can say this is binary addition and it is done. No, there is a little bit trick in this. That is, suppose if I want to make this addition 101 plus 001. How do I do this addition? 1 plus 1 is 0, generating carry 1. So 1 plus 1 is 0, generating carry 1. 0 plus 0 is 0. So should I write 0 and carry 0? No, I have carry and I need to consider this carry. So 0 plus 0 with, if there is a carry generated from previous operation, we need to consider this. And how do we consider? 0 plus 0 is 0. That 0 plus this 1 is 1. And we will change our answer to 1 instead of writing this to 0. Why? Because we considered this carry which was generated by the previous operation. So here, in this particular addition, entire addition, we are not considering that previous operation has generated any carry. We are just considering that it has not generated any carry. Now in case if there is a carry generated by previous operation, then it will be like this. We have to consider some another scenario. That is, this is carry generated and this is no carry. This addition we have done considering previous operation has no carry. This operation, this transaction we are doing, previous operation had one carry. So now I will again write down the same input as I had it over here. Okay, that is 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1. Now, what is the addition in this case now? 0 plus 0 is 0. Considering this previous carry, 0 plus 0, the answer is 0. Considering one carry, the answer is 1. 0 plus 1 is 1. Considering the previous carry, the answer is 1 plus 1, 0, generating 1 carry. ये ऑपरेशन में कैरी जनरेट हुआ? नहीं हुआ. Hope you are understanding this. Now let's see. 1 plus 0 is 1. Considering the previous case has generated carry, now I have to do next operation. That is 1 plus 1, 0, generating 1 carry. Okay. Next, 1 plus 1 is answer is 0, generating 1 carry. Okay. If I add this with plus 1, that is previous operation carry, then what is this operation? 0 plus 1 is 1 and this carry is already generated. Okay. So, now I have, if you understand, these are the two types of table which we have generated. One is if the previous case has no carry and other is the previous case has carry. There are two different types we need to consider this addition. This addition is not just the simple addition. We need to consider if previous case had a carry or it has no carry. Depending on that, the answer and the carry generated differs. So here in this case, if I simply just remove this stuff, this is the final answer I have. Okay. So what is the main thing that I need to focus on is this answer and carry generated. These are the two important things that we need to consider. Can I say the carry is not generated indicated by 0 and carry generated indicated by 1? Can I simply replace it with no carry and carry for my understanding? Because answer is also 0, 1 and this is also 0, 1, which is making it a little confusing. So I simply replace this with carry and no carry. When there is 1, it is carry. When there is 0, it is no carry. So for both the 0, I will write no carry. Okay. Similarly, यहाँ पे carry के लिए ये लिखा है. तो ये 0 है मतलब क्या है? No carry. और ये 1 है मतलब क्या है? Carry. अभी मुझे क्लियर हो गया कि अगर प्रीवियस केस में कोई भी कैरी नहीं रहेगा तो 0 0 का एडिशन 0 होगा और ये कैरी नहीं जनरेट करेगा. 0 1 का एडिशन 1 होगा, ये कैरी नहीं जनरेट करेगा. लेकिन प्रीवियस केस में कैरी जनरेटेड है तो 1 0 का एडिशन 0 रहेगा और वो कैरी जनरेट करेगा. ओके. So now I need to focus on different input symbols. What are different input symbols that I have? I will be having 0 and 1 combination because it is a binary addition. Okay, so every time I will be having two input symbols, that is first and second. We need to do addition of these two numbers and we need to give in answer as what is this addition and what is the carry state. That also we need to give. So in answer we need to give two things. One is answer and other is carry state. And because of that we will design our states. Okay, we'll design our states as one sum with carry. Okay, when there is no carry, an answer is 0. When there is no carry, answer is 1. When there is carry, an answer is 0. And when there is carry, an answer is 1. These are the total 4 combinations of states which we will have over here. Okay. Now if we make this all states, the diagram is going to be simple for us. Now let us try to make this diagram for Moore machine. Okay, I'll write down all the states. Hope you understood the states. No carry and 0 is one of the combination. No carry and 0, no carry and 1, no carry and 1. Carry and 0, carry and 1. Like this I have combinations. So I'll say state is no carry and 0, no carry giving answer 1, carry generated giving answer 0, carry generated giving answer 1. Okay. In Moore state, Moore diagram, every state has one answer associated with it. So what is the answer for this state? 0. Answer for this state is 0 because इसका आंसर 0 आ रहा है, इसका एडिशन 1 आ रहा है. So I am saying the answer for this is 1. ये स्टेट का आंसर 0 है और ये स्टेट का आंसर 1 है. अभी स्टार्ट किससे करेंगे? जब भी हम लोग कोई भी बाइनरी एडिशन चालू करते हैं, प्रीवियसली वहाँ पे कैरी होता है नहीं होता है, तो हम लोग नो कैरी से चालू करेंगे. तो नो कैरी कौन सा आउटपुट देगा? 0 1 कुछ भी नहीं देगा. सो वी कैन स्टार्ट विद एनी ऑफ देम. वी कैन सिंपली स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट वन. ओके, नाउ लेट अस राइट डाउन ऑल दिस 4 कॉम्बिनेशंस ऑफ एडिशंस ओवर हियर. ओके, ये स्टेट में चारों कॉम्बिनेशन लिखना है मुझे. सो आई एम इन नो कैरी स्टेट. मैं नो कैरी स्टेट में हूँ, मतलब मुझे ये पूरा टेबल देखना है. तो ये मैं नो कैरी स्टेट में हूँ. नो कैरी स्टेट में कितने इनपुट आएंगे? 4 कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ इनपुट आएंगे. तो मुझे यहाँ पे 4 डिफरेंट एरोज बनाने हैं. एक 0 0 के लिए, एक 0 1 के लिए, एक 1 0 के लिए, एक 1 1 के लिए. ओके, नाउ आई फर्स्ट ट्राई विद द 0 0. नो कैरी स्टेट में अगर 0 0 इनपुट आ रहा है, सो व्हाट इज हैपनिंग? आई एम गेटिंग आउटपुट 0 and I'm going and no carry is generated. That means this combination is, it goes to no carry with 0. Where is no carry with 0? The same state. मतलब क्या होगा? There will be a self loop. Self loop going from no carry on 0 0. Okay, on 0 0 input is 0 0 goes to no carry with 0. Okay, तो ये हो गया 0 0. सिमिलरली ये भी नो कैरी वाला स्टेट है. तो नो कैरी वाले स्टेट में अगर 0 0 इनपुट आता है तो कहाँ पे जाना है? नो कैरी विद 0 0. सो आई विल गो हियर ऑन 0. ओके, सो बोथ आर नो कैरी. दैट्स व्हाई आई एम कंसिडरिंग दिस नो कैरी. नो कैरी पे अगर 0 0 इनपुट आता है तो कहाँ पे जाने का? नो कैरी पे 0 0 इनपुट आता है तो नो कैरी विद 0 पे जाने का और नो कैरी विद 0 पे जाने का. यहाँ पे भी नो कैरी है तो नो कैरी पे 0 0 आता है तो नो कैरी विद 0 पे जाने का. द next input is 0 1. I am at no carry. I am getting input 0 1. Where I am supposed to go? No carry with 1. That is this. तो मुझे नो कैरी वाले स्टेट पे 0 1 इनपुट आएगा तो मैं कहाँ पे जाऊंगी? नो कैरी विथ 1. गेटिंग इट? ये भी नो कैरी है तो ये भी नो कैरी है. नो कैरी पे 0 1 इनपुट आया, मतलब इधर अगर 0 1 इनपुट आया तो भी मुझे इसी स्टेट पे जाना है. So that is a self loop. Okay, next. If I am getting 1 0 as an input on no carry, I am going to no carry with 1. तो ये वाले नो कैरी पे अगर मुझे 1 0 इनपुट आया तो मैं कहाँ पे जा रही हूँ? नो कैरी विथ 1. सो यहाँ पे इसके साथ कॉमा करके अगर 1 0 आया तो भी इधर आ जाओ. इसमें अगर मैं हूँ, आई एम इन दिस नो कैरी, आई एम गेटिंग 1 0 एज ए इनपुट, आई एम गोइंग टू सेम स्टेट. तो इसमें अगर 1 0 आया तो सेल्फ लो, इसी पे जाना है. नेक्स्ट, I am in this no carry. I am getting this input 1 1. इधर मुझे 1 1 इनपुट आता है तो कहाँ पे जाने का? गो टू कैरी विद जीरो, विच इज कैरी विद जीरो, ये। तो मुझे यहाँ पे जाना है, कभी जाना है, नो कैरी पे 1 1 आया तो, सो नो कैरी पे 1 1 आया, गो कैरी विद जीरो। ये भी नो कैरी वाला स्टेट है, इसमें अगर 1 1 आएगा तो भी मुझे कैरी विद जीरो पे जाना है, सो इसमें भी अगर 1 1 आएगा आई गो टू कैरी विद जीरो। नाउ वी आर डन विद दिस साइड, तो वील जस्ट क्रॉस चेक, ये स्टेट में से 4 एरो बाहर गए हैं क्या? यस, 0 0 के लिए गया, 0 1 के लिए गया, 1 0 के लिए गया और 1 1 के लिए गया। इसमें से भी 4 एरो बाहर गए हैं क्या? एक 0 0 के लिए गया, एक 0 1 1 0 हो गया, 1 1 हो गया, सो चारों एरो बाहर गए। दैट मीन्स ये दो स्टेट्स मेरे कंप्लीट हो गए। नाउ आई फोकस ऑन दिस 2 स्टेट्स। ये दो स्टेट्स कौन से हैं? कैरी वाले स्टेट है। सो नाउ आई कम एंड कंसिडर दिस कैरी वाले स्टेट्स। ओके, कैरी वाले स्टेट में फर्स्ट इनपुट कौन सा है? 0 0। अगर इधर 0 0 इनपुट आता है तो मुझे कहाँ पे जाना है? नो कैरी विथ 1 पे। सो अगर इधर मुझे 0 0 इनपुट आता है तो मैं नो कैरी विथ 1 पे जा रही हूँ। इधर भी 0 0 इनपुट आया तो भी मुझे नो कैरी विथ 1 पे जाना है, बिकॉज दिस इज ऑल्सो अ कैरी स्टेट। इधर भी 0 0 आया तो नो कैरी विथ 1 पे जाऊंगी। क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, on carry state, if I get 0 1 as input, on carry state if I get 0 1 as input, I am going to carry with 0. मतलब इधर मुझे 0 1 आया तो मैं खुद के पास ही जा रही हूँ, I am going to self loop on value 0 1. लेकिन if I am at this carry state and I am getting 0 1 as input, where I am supposed to go? Carry with 0. So इधर अगर 0 1 input आएगा तो मुझे इसके पास जाना पड़ेगा। Clear? Now next, on carry state if I get 1 0, I'll go to carry with 0. सो कैरी स्टेट पे 1 0 आया तो भी कैरी विद 0 पे ही जाना है, कैरी स्टेट पे 1 0 आया तो कैरी विद 0 पे ही जाना है। एंड लास्ट वन, ऑन कैरी इफ यू आर गेटिंग 1 1, गो टू कैरी विद 1. ऑन कैरी स्टेट इफ यू आर गोइंग 1 1, गो टू कैरी विद 1. ऑन कैरी स्टेट इफ यू आर गेटिंग 1 1, गो टू कैरी विद 1. दैट इज सेल्फ लूप. So this diagram is now complete, and you can just see this diagram. We have 4 states. We have written all the different values. Each state has one value, answer or output associated with it, that is indicated by Moore machine. Okay. For 5 marks, you need to write down this table, draw the diagram. Okay, and just write down the machine definition, tuple definition. So I'll give you the machine tuple definition for Moore machine. Okay. So for Moore machine, the tuple definition, machine is given as Q, sigma. This is capital delta. This is delta, this is lambda, and this is Q0. Okay, Q is nothing but set of states. What are different states? Q no carry with 0, Q no carry with 1, Q carry with 0, and Q carry with 1. These are the different states. What is the input symbol? Input symbols are 0 and 1 because it is a binary state. What is a delta? Capital delta. Capital delta is the output. Now every state is giving some output. What is the output of this state? 0. What is the output of this state? 0, 1, 1. So what are different outputs that we are giving? 0 and 1 that we are supposed to write. Okay. Then the delta is the machine function, that is Q cross sigma. Okay. Here this delta is indicated as state transition function, which is given as Q cross sigma gives Q. If you see properly, ये DFA का ही transition function है. Okay. Now this lambda is nothing but machine function. Machine function is newly introduced because every state is giving you some output. So this is with respect to the output. Okay. So ये आउटपुट क्या है? हर एक स्टेट के पास अपना एक आउटपुट है. How do we indicate that? Every state gives you capital delta, that is nothing but output. And the finally we have Q0, which is the initial state. Q no carry on 0. So that is Q no carry on 0. So with this we will complete the machine definition for this particular machine. Okay. So now this is the answer. This much is sufficient for 5 marks.